Looking for a comprehensive business management software? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Odoo, an extraordinary suite of open-source business management software applications. Odoo is designed to streamline your company's operations, making it easier to manage everything from customer relationships and e-commerce to accounting, inventory, and beyond. Whether you're in manufacturing, services, or even nonprofit, Odoo has got you covered. So, are you ready? Let's dive deep into the world of Odoo and discover how it can revolutionize your business. Now, you might be wondering what makes Odoo stand out in the crowded marketplace of business management software. Well, let's dive into that. One of the key benefits of Odoo is its modular design. This means you can pick and choose the individual modules you need, creating a tailor-made experience for your business. Additionally, Odoo is open source, especially the Community Edition. This fosters a large and active developer community, contributing to constant improvements and innovations. It's like having a team of experts constantly refining your tools, and who doesn't want that? Another advantage is Odoo's web-based accessibility. No matter where you are, if you've got an internet connection, you've got access to your business operations. Plus, with its user-friendly interface, navigating through the platform is a breeze. Odoo is also highly scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations. With such robust features, Odoo is indeed a game changer in the world of business management software. Now let's delve into the core of Odoo, its key features. At the heart of Odoo lies a robust customer relationship management system, or CRM. It's designed to manage leads, opportunities, and sales with ease. Plus, it offers excellent customer service tools to keep your clients satisfied. Next, we have Odoo's e-commerce module. It's a comprehensive tool for building and managing an online store. From product listings to order processing, this module covers all aspects of online retail. Then there's the accounting module. It's a versatile tool that handles invoices, payments, and financial reporting. It simplifies complex financial tasks, making them manageable even for those without a background in finance. The inventory module is another critical feature. It allows you to track and manage inventory levels and movements. No more worrying about stockouts or excess inventory. This module has got you covered. For businesses involved in production, the manufacturing module is a godsend. It manages production planning, scheduling, and execution, ensuring smooth operations from start to finish. Planning and tracking projects is a breeze with Odoo's project management module. It fosters collaboration and keeps everyone on the same page, ensuring that projects progress as planned. On the marketing front, Odoo offers a marketing module that manages campaigns and tracks results. Whether you're running a small campaign or a large one, this module will keep you in the loop. Last but not least, the Human Resources module handles employee data, payroll, and benefits. It's a comprehensive tool that takes the hassle out of HR management. Each of these modules can be added or removed as needed, allowing for a tailored experience. Plus, Odoo's web-based nature means it's accessible from any device with an internet connection. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it user-friendly, and its scalability ensures it can adapt to the needs of businesses of all sizes. But what sets Odoo apart is its open-source nature. The Community Edition is free to use and modify, fostering a large and active developer community. These features make Odoo a comprehensive, one-stop solution for all your business management needs. So, who can benefit from using Odoo? The answer is a wide array of businesses across various industries. Whether you're in manufacturing, needing to track inventory, manage production, and generate comprehensive reports, or you're steering an e-commerce venture, building and managing online stores, processing orders, and tracking sales, Odoo is your go-to solution. Service-based businesses also find value in Odoo's capabilities. Managing projects, tracking time, billing clients, all these tasks become streamlined with Odoo. But it's not just about profit-driven businesses. Non-profit organizations too can leverage Odoo to manage donations, volunteers, and programs effectively. From small startups to large enterprises, Odoo's scalability makes it an ideal choice for businesses at any stage of growth. Its intuitive design and customizable modules cater to the unique needs of every industry. So no matter what your business does or how big it is, Odoo has something to offer. Regardless of your business size or industry, Odoo has something to offer you. Odoo comes in two editions, Community and Enterprise, but what's the difference? To start off, the Community Edition is a free, open-source version of Odoo. It offers a fundamental set of features, allowing businesses to manage their operations without a significant financial commitment. This edition is particularly popular among small businesses or startups that are looking for cost-effective solutions. On the other hand, we have the Enterprise Edition. This is a paid version of Odoo, offering additional features and support. With this edition, businesses can benefit from more advanced functionalities, such as detailed reporting, integrated business intelligence, and priority support. The Enterprise Edition is particularly suited for larger businesses or those with complex operational needs. In essence, the Community Edition offers a solid foundation, while the Enterprise Edition builds on that foundation with enhanced features and services. Whether you're a small business looking for a free solution or a large enterprise in need of additional features and support, Odoo has an addition to meet your needs. In conclusion, Odoo is more than just a business management software. With its suite of applications, it's a comprehensive solution enabling businesses to manage every facet of their operations. From customer relationship management to e-commerce, from accounting to inventory, Odoo has got you covered. Its versatility is undeniable. Whether you're in manufacturing, e-commerce, services, or even running a nonprofit organization, Odoo can be adapted to your needs. This adaptability is further boosted by its modular design. Choose the modules you need when you need them and create a bespoke system that fits your business like a glove. One of the standout features of Odoo is its open source nature. The Community Edition not only offers a cost-effective solution, but also fosters a large and active developer community. This means you have a wealth of resources and knowledge at your disposal, ready to help you customize Odoo to your heart's content. But let's not forget about its user-friendly interface. Odoo is designed to be intuitive and accessible, making it a breeze to use. It's web-based too, which means you can manage your business from anywhere, anytime. However, keep in mind that while Odoo is a powerful tool, it does require a certain level of technical expertise to implement and customize effectively. But once you've got it up and running, the possibilities are endless. Odoo is a powerful tool that can help your business thrive in today's competitive marketplace. Start exploring Odoo today and take your business to the next level.